Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison, and I welcome you all back into my home once again. Today's video is going to show you a couple quick and easy last-minute DIYs that you can do for Mom for Mother's Day. Yes, Mother's Day is right around the corner. So here are a few quick and easy ideas. But first, go ahead, grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you would love to drink today. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the content of this video. I'm not sure what has exactly happened to my camera here, why you're only seeing, well, I guess this is what you need to see, is how I am going to pack the little basket here that I got from Dollar Tree. And I am going to use some of the Dollar Tree gift paper and also some of that wrapping paper that you get from TJ Maxx or the home goods store, how they wrap your glass products so well. Well, this is what I'm going to use to create this basket. So guys, I promise you this video will straighten out. This is not what you will see totally, but I want you to enjoy it. So let me know what you think of my quick and easy DIYs in the comment section. If you're new, it's your very first time here, I appreciate you so much for stopping by. Go ahead, hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that an upload is made here. And for those of you that continue to show love and support, I thank you and I wish you all a happy Mother's Day. I had planned to get out more content, but life happens. I caught some type of, I don't know if it's sinus infection, cold, whatever it is. It really zapped me for a moment, but I did want to get this last minute one out. Thanks guys so much for watching. Continue to enjoy. I just want to say this and then I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of this to music. Because the basket has those holes in it, I am actually taking the gift wrapping paper and placing it on the outside, and then I am placing the other paper on in the center, so you won't see the that ugly looking paper from the outside. You'll see the beautiful colored paper on the outsides of it. So yeah, that's why I am doing that. And remember, the items that I've purchased, some are from Michael's. The straw hat that you will see is from Michael's. The basket that I have is from the Dollar Tree, along with some other items that I also picked up from Michael's. So that's pretty much where I got the items from that I will be using for the basket. So just continue to enjoy the music.
Feels like love, Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so. let you feel mine. Come on, instead our mind and bodies intertwine. Come on over if you wanna have a good time. Show me what's inside that soul, I'll let you feel mine. Come on over if you wanna have a good time. Show me what's inside that soul, I'll let you feel mine. Spend a day looking blank out the window, all looks great in my tank. I'm stuck in limbo, nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow, shadows lurk all around. In my sorrow, can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. Before this, used to think I knew where to go. Now I see that there is so much I don't know. I lost count at my sense of direction. I am fighting against my own emotion. Can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. You just take up all the space in my mind. Hey, I try to shake you up all of the time. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, only see you. It's sort of